Hey, what's up, guys? This video is on a there we go. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. We got a 2014 Mercedes Benz gl350, and we couldn't find the ballast. It took me about an hour. I couldn't find a video online that had it, so I started taking the top, all of this support upside, and thinking I can get through it from the headlight, which I couldn't. So I ended up researching some more online shit, and this guy was actually pulled a fender well out, and let me show you guys something. And this also the way to change the headlight too. So this is the driver's side right here. So if you pull this fender well out here, now that you can see everything. Yeah, so if you're trying to change your headlight, it'll be here, and just wiggle it out. Now your ballast is here, it's just below the headlight. So only way to get to this is through the fender well. So we're gonna be changing this ballast out today. So stick with it. All right, so you can see we got the ballast out. We got removed 3 screws for the ballast. It's just a regular start bit. I can't tell you the size, but got the old one out. Installate T15 for the screws, so T15, and that's it. So we be putting another one in, tighten it down, and test before we get it all buttoned up. And you can see the old one here is corroded, so I guess water damage, I would say, compared to the new one. Looks very total. So show you how to button it back up. Alright guys, we got a little bit of dielectric grease in there just for safety and seal, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. As you can see here, just snap ins here, so get you a good snap in. And remember your 3 bolts, don't forget those go back in. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 holes. Yeah, so we are completed with the job. As you can see, got the piece back in. It's really simple. It's only like 4 little pins. You can use a screwdriver like the pin to release the little pin, little clamps, little things here. Got another one up there, another one there. It's the square here to change the headlight and everything. The ballast is inside of there. So I mean, it's really simple, guys. I mean, if you really ain't got to get it in the air, but it will help to, you know, get a little clearance there. Or you can even jack it up and take the tire off. But it's pretty simple to change the ballast and the headlight. So hope this video helped you guys out. If so, give me a like or subscribe. Thanks a lot.